Welcome to another video of recipes for Yeeps, and I'll be showing you how to make a grilled cheese. So what you want to do is you want to grab milk and flour, which you'll need to go up here, and you need to put cheese.
No, please, those are mine. Please.
And then you need to make
Who wanted it again?
bread.
Who? Yeah, it was Who wanted
pancakes. So, and then once you get your bread and your cheese, you put it in here, and this makes a grilled cheese.
I'm gonna eat poo.
Grilled cheese.
Eat this. Good, don't eat poo. Hey, don't click on my...
And here's how you make a grilled cheese.
Poo, get out.
In Yeeps.
Ew,
I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.